Ever feel like you're running on a treadmill? You're working hard, you're tired, but you're literally in the exact same spot you were a year ago? I used to think success was just a roll of the dice. Some people get lucky, and the rest of us just don't. But then, I picked up The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. Now look, I know what you're thinking. Is this just some woo-woo magic? Honestly, that's what I thought too. But after diving in, I realized it's not about magic. It's about a fundamental shift in how your brain processes the world. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest lessons that actually stuck with me, lessons that changed how I look at my bank account, my goals, and my morning coffee. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to tell you the one mistake most people make that actually turns The Secret against them. Let's get into it. Number 1. Thoughts are magnets. The core of the book is the law of attraction. Think of your mind like a giant radio tower. If you're broadcasting "I'm broke" or "I'm stressed," you're tuning into the broke and stressed station. The book taught me that thoughts have a frequency. If you want a different life, you have to change the station. It sounds simple, but try monitoring your inner monologue for an hour. You'll be surprised at what you're actually broadcasting. Number 2. The 3-step process. Ask, believe, receive. Rhonda breaks it down into a simple framework. First, ask. Be crystal clear about what you want. Not "I want money," but "I want $10,000. Second, believe. Act as if it's already yours. This is the hardest part. And third, receive. Open yourself up to the feeling of having it. If you don't feel like a winner, you won't see the winning opportunities right in front of you. Number 3. Gratitude is the ultimate shortcut. This was the biggest game changer for me. You cannot attract more good things into your life if you're constantly complaining about what you don't have. The book suggests making a gratitude list. When you focus on what's going right, you shift your energy from lack to abundance. It's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger your luck gets. Number 4. The power of visualization. There's a reason elite athletes visualize the ball going in the hoop before they shoot. The Secret emphasizes that your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between a vivid memory and a vivid imagination. Spend 5 minutes a day seeing your goal as a finished reality. If you can see it in your mind, you'll eventually hold it in your hand. Number 5. Check your feelings. Your emotions are your feedback loop. If you're feeling down, angry, or anxious, you're out of alignment with what you want. The book calls these emotional indicators. The second you feel a negative spiral coming on, stop and pivot. Listen to a song, go for a walk, or think of something funny. You have to keep your vibe high to attract high-level results. So what's my honest take? Should you read it? Yes. Look, some people find it a bit out there, but here's the thing. Whether you believe in the universe or just basic psychology, focusing on your goals and staying positive works. I personally think the book is a masterclass in mindset. It's not a substitute for hard work, but it's the fuel that makes the hard work feel worth it. If you're stuck in a negative loop, this book is the pattern interrupt you need. If you've read The Secret, or if you've used the law of attraction to land a job or a date, drop a comment below. I want to hear your stories. And if you want more deep dives into the books and mindsets that actually build wealth and success, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't just watch life happen, start manifesting it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.